How to overlay in CapCut. Hello everyone, it's Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your CapCut application. After that, go to Edit. Now, open a new project. Add the new project. Now in order to overlay, wait for the video that you initially uploaded to load. Now you will see an option of overlay in your bottom navigation bar. Simply tap on it. Now go to Add Overlay. Select another video or photo, whatever you want. Now add it as well. Now you can see here we have an overlay added. You can edit the individual clip separately. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure